Hi everyone, good Wednesday afternoon, mid-afternoon weather update for you on just a stifling day. The humidity is just, you can literally cut the air with a knife, I think, today. You can really do it. It's that kind of day today. Some of us are getting wet, but not in Boardman, where we have some sunshine and some fair weather cumulus clouds, and it looks like the sun is out in Niles as well. But let's take a look at Storm Tracker 21 here at 3:07. We've got some areas of thunderstorms around, one area down here in Columbiana County, another area in the northern half of Trumbull. Quite a bit of stormy action right along the Trumbull-Ashtabula County line. And we have some more activity down to our south and west as well. Here's an hour loop showing everything pushing off to the east. Now, the good news is, just like last night, these storms are moving at a decent clip. We're not in one of those situations where a storm is barely moving. These things are moving along, and that will reduce the flash flooding risk. But still, areas of poor drainage, something to watch out for the rest of the day today. These can produce some tropical downpours. There's so much juice in the atmosphere to wring out that the rain can be very, very heavy. Let's take a look at a couple of these rainfall rates up in northern parts of Trumbull County. Certainly some tropical-like downpours up here in the northwestern corner of Trumbull, 2-3 inches an hour. Look at southern Ashtabula County, 3-4 inches an hour up there. So Route 11 heading up through Ashtabula County is no fun at the moment. And then we skip down into Columbiana County, and the rain is not quite as heavy down here, although this is a pretty significant downpour. This is south of Columbiana, a little bit closer to East Palestine. As you can see, there's thunder and lightning with that, and quite a bit of lightning with our action up in northern Trumbull as well. Well, the bottom line for the rest of the day is I think through about 6-7 this evening, we'll be fair game to see these thunderstorms around. Once we head past 7 and closer to sunset, probably just a leftover shower, and that'll be about it for the night. Mostly cloudy sky for the overnight, and another very sultry night. Look at these dew points. Dew points in the mid-70s. It's just gross out there, and with dew points like this, the temperature won't drop very efficiently tonight. A lot of places may not drop below 74, 75 degrees tonight. Dew points are going to stay elevated through the weekend, and then we see the light at the end of the tunnel early next week with a gradual decrease in the dew points, and that means more comfortable air as we go into Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Much more coming up on Weather for Weather Geeks this evening. We'll talk about how much rain to expect over the next several days, what the potential is. We'll talk about the pattern that evolves after this unsettled pattern is done with us by the end of the weekend and early next week. And much more on Weather Geeks this evening. And I'll also see you, of course, on 21 News at 6 p.m. Have a great rest of this Wednesday.